Lots of family still they was under there, and they take half of family out, and the husband and little daughter still was on. Absolutely awful. It is. It's so sad because every like maybe 1 or 2 hours is still shaking. Ground is shaking. That side, my auntie's husband's side is maybe more than 10-20 people. My mom's side maybe more than 50-60 people. There's so many I cannot calculate because still people under them.
I can't even imagine the mental anguish you must be going through all the way over here.
How can I eat? I just eat once a day now. We all show. There is no word to explain this.
When you're not cutting hair here, I understand you're on your phone trying to get information, but it's difficult to find out really what's going on the ground.
It is difficult. Each family, maybe I call them more than 100 to 100 times.
So even now it's still shaking, you're saying?
Yeah, it's still happening.
Yeah, my name's Fred, and I've been a customer of Ishmael's for some time now.
Fred, you've been here, sat down, having your hair cut while Ishmael's been telling his story. What do you think about what the people of Turkey and Ishmael are going through?
Yeah, no, it must be a very heartbreaking time for them all, especially when it's so close to home, family and friends. I'm going to give him 100 quid today, just to help him with his expenses getting over there and everything. I'm sure it'll go somewhere useful.
You're going to make a donation to Ishmael?
Exactly, yeah.
I understand you're going back to Turkey and try and look at that.